My name is James Cullen. I'm a director of the Global Goodwill Ambassadors Foundation UK and I lead on elder care. I was planning something quite different to this post, but last night's events overturned that intention. Now, the event I'm talking about is Joe Plomin's Panorama programme, which showed reporter Alan Haslam undercover and after just one day's induction at the Edenfield Centre in Prestwich near Manchester, which when inspected by the Care Quality Commission was rated as good. I'm talking about the Secure Mental Health Unit run by Lancashire and South Cumbria NHS Foundation Trust. The panorama footage demonstrated what was described by a professional in the show as a toxic culture. It had dynamics of corruption, perversion, aggression, hostility and a lack of boundaries. And if you saw the programme and actually managed to stay watching without being sick, you will have witnessed the worst abuse of vulnerable people possible. For some years now, I've been posting news articles about the escalation of appalling abuse in nursing and residential homes, like the ones behind me, across the world, including the UK. And last night's programme is about a facility very close to my home, and I thought to myself, God, this is far too much. Enough is enough. If you run a nursing home or a residential home, even if you have a CQC rating of good, you still cannot take quality for granted, and you never want it to become toxic. Saying to yourself it will never happen to me is just not an option. Dr. David Fernley, the Chief Medical Officer of the NHS Foundation Trust, left it too late, and his patients suffered prolonged institutionalised abuse as a result. If you're a nursing or care home manager or a registered person responsible or a social worker, book a free place on our webinar, Lunch and Learn, at 12 o'clock on the 11th of October and discover a way of avoiding becoming the subject of yet another sickening panorama programme. I hope you do, because far too many vulnerable residents have suffered enough, in spite of the best intentions of leaders responsible for their care. I really do hope I see you there.